If you want to make games in itch.io and publish them the easy way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to upload your game, set up your project page, and get it ready for players to see. This is a great option whether you're sharing a free indie game, a demo, or even a paid release. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and creator guides. Let's jump in. First, before you even open itch.io, you need a game ready to upload. You can make your game using any game engine you like, whether that's Unity, Godot, Unreal, GameMaker, or another tool. Once your build is finished and exported properly, you're ready for the itch.io upload process. Now go to itch.io in your browser and log into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create one first, because your game has to be uploaded through your developer dashboard. After you log in, head to your dashboard. This is where all of your projects and settings are managed. Inside the dashboard, look for the option that says Create New Project. Click that to start a new game page. This is the main setup screen where you'll enter all the important information for your game listing. Take your time here, because this is what players will see when they find your project. Next, enter your game title and details. Add a clear title that matches your game, and write a description that explains what the game is about, what kind of experience players can expect, and anything important they should know before downloading. If you have screenshots, tags, or a short summary ready, this is also a good place to make your page more attractive and easier to understand. After that, upload your game file. Make sure you're uploading the correct build, and double-check that it works before posting. Depending on your game, this could be a zip file, executable, web build, or another supported format. If your game has multiple files, organize them properly so players can download and run everything without confusion. Once your file is uploaded, you'll need to set the price. You can make the game free if you want people to download it without paying, or you can choose a paid price if you're selling your game. Itch.io also gives you flexible options, so you can decide exactly how you want to release your project. When everything looks good, click Save. That final step publishes your project settings and makes your game page ready to share. After saving, you can review your page, make edits if needed, and continue improving the presentation of your game over time. And that's it. You've learned how to make a game page in itch.io and upload your own game from start to finish. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and it's a great way to share your creations with the world. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for creators and game developers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.